Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by committing. Keep knees bent and gaze on your target, not your feet. Once ready, transfer most weight to your rear skate and slightly angle it outward to increase friction. Use your front skate lightly as a guide, don't lock it. Make sure your shoulders stay square to the direction of travel so you don't twist. This initial weight shift engages the rear wheel traction and primes your body to absorb the sudden deceleration that follows. Once the rear skate is angled, press down and drag it steadily to create a controlled skid. The slower, longer scrub beats a jerky snub. You're braking with surface area and friction, so increase pressure progressively while keeping hips square. This prevents spin. Make sure your front skate stays light but contacts the ground to stabilize direction. As speed drops, lower your center of gravity to maintain traction, and extend your arms subtly to counterbalance any unwanted. To complete the stop, gradually release the rear scrub and bring weight back to both skates so you don't tip backward. If you feel a spin starting, don't panic. Look toward the safe direction, clamp your core, and reduce rear pressure to regain alignment. Make sure to test this maneuver at lower speeds first. Practice builds timing and muscle memory. If wheels chatter or lock, check wheel condition and looseness. Then repeat slowly until the stop becomes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.